Good morning everyone and welcome for today's session. In export management, from today we will start our chapter number 3, that is export finance. Now, exporter need finance at different stages in export process. Further, the finance need becomes more urgent in case of export as compared to domestic, as the exporter have to face many extra expenses which may not be faced by a domestic marketer or domestic seller. Say for example, a huge transportation cost in case of export, while such cost may not be incurred for domestic player. So an exporter need various the finance for various stages. Further, to become a competitive, to remain competitive in market, sometime exporter also need to give credit to the foreign buyer, and hence till the time period the finance or the payment received, the exporter need finance. Further, the export business is more risky, in the sense if the credit is extended to foreign buyer and if he becomes bankrupt, then it becomes more difficult and a lengthy process for an exporter to recover his money as compared to the domestic marketer. In domestic case, the exporter can easily receive money as compared to the export business, and hence so for all this requirement and for various other reasons, the exporter needs finance at every step in the export process. So before starting about the export finance, the sources of export finance, their importance, etc., and two major institutes which provide insurance, guarantee and finance for business, let us understand firstly why an exporter need finance. These are the major reason for availing finance. The first reason is procurement of raw material and component for manufacturing of product. As and when exporter received order for export, then he need to procure the raw material, he need to purchase the raw material which required for to fulfill the order, as well as he need to also acquire the various components which are required, which are essential for the manufacturing of goods, as he need to make sure that the goods produced should be shipped on time, as delay in export may cause him a huge amount of loss, and sometimes the order may also get cancelled due to delay in supply. So as soon as the exporter received order, confirm order from buyer, he need to start production, and for production of the goods, primarily he require raw material as well as other components which are essential. Then the second is the exporter need refinance facility so as to get the proceeds of export bill at the time of negotiation of export documents. Generally, this comes after the export is made. When the exporter deliver the goods to buyer, it means ship the goods are shipped, then the exporter give this bill, the amount, the order he received to bank, the document he received from buyer to bank, and then take finance from the bank. At the time of when the buyer makes payment, so till the buyer makes payment, he need finance to fulfill the other orders, and hence he need finance so that he can continue his work and fulfill the other orders too. The third is to make the availability of fund until the export benefits are realized. The exporter, as I said earlier, the exporter need to give credit to foreign buyers to remain competitive in market. Say for example, an exporter has provided 60 days of credit to foreign buyer. It means the date from the goods is been shipped or the date from the goods is received by buyer, the 90 days time period is allowed, and after the completion of this 90 days the exporter will receive the payment. So the time period when the goods are shipped till the time period when the payment is received is the time period when the exporter need finance. Further, many of time the export of a turnkey project require a finance for a very long period of time. Say for example, an Indian exporter has exported a machinery worth rupees crores. It may be 1 or 2 crore rupees. In such a cases where the huge construction program is undertaken by foreign Indian companies, or the selling of large machineries, plant, etc. need long-term credit, that is, it may be extended, the credit may be extended up to 5 or even sometime for 10 years. So the buyer will pay the amount in installment over a period of time for 5 years to 10 years. So it takes so long time period to receive the full payment. In such cases also, till the full finance is received, an exporter, an Indian exporter need finance. And the last one is refinance facility for a long term credit offered to the export of products. As I said, many of products are exported for a long period of time. So for such long period of time, the exporter also needs a long term credit. So for all this purpose, the exporter need finance, and hence the importance of finance becomes crucial for export business as compared to the domestic business. So that is all about today's session. Have a nice day. Goodbye.